Hello students, Mr. Young here. Hey, it's about April 13th, and it's study day for the Chapter 20 test. We learned a lot about big business and the industrial age this chapter. As always, you have a number of resources at your disposal. For example, the study guide and the forum. If you can answer all these questions on the study guide, you're probably in a pretty good shape to do well on that test. A little boo-boo right there. What's that? There we go. So, like knowing the vocab and what Henry Ford invented and labor unions and all that jazz, it will put you in a good spot. Of course, this video here is on the forum, the review. Feel free to post anything in there. Most of you just post, hey, we're ready to rock and roll, and that's great. Looking at the test itself, it's 45 points, a little on the shorter end this time, and if we take a look at the preview real quick, a little cheating here, but no essay questions, so this one's all matching and multiple choice. Nothing too crazy, and we'll be moving in to chapter 21 soon. That's it for today. If you have any questions, you would like another attempt on the test, think you got a question right but it says you're wrong, anything like that, always feel free to message me anytime. I'm here for you, and I try to be pretty flexible. Oftentimes I'll even just throw you a point for taking the time to contact me and ask a question. That's it for today. The timing here was good because you'll see that the 13th is the study day. We have the whole weekend, and then you have the test on Monday the 16th. And then it's PSSAs, so we won't be starting the next chapter until a nice clean Monday. So it was a good natural break for us. Finish the chapter, go do PSSAs, and then we'll start 21 when we get back. I think we'll be starting classes up again on the 23rd. So good luck with your PSSA testing. Remember to try your hardest, but don't be too stressed. Go in, do your best. Your best is all we can ask for. That's it for today. Good luck on your tests on Monday, and good luck with your PSSA testing the rest of the week. Take care.